Hi, I wanted to make a quick YouTube on something that I fixed that I thought might be useful to other people. I'm in a Ford F-150. I had some coffee sitting on the center console and it spilled. Got in my USB port and it quit working. So today I went out there just to remove it, see if I get a part number and buy a new one. You just pry the thing out with a trim tool. It's kind of hard to get out, and mine actually, the switch came apart, which I'm going to show you, which was actually a little bit helpful. So I've got it partially apart right now, as I wanted to show you what I did. So it comes apart. It looked like this when I pulled mine out, and what I noticed is you can just see if I can do this with one hand. You can pull these circuit boards out. They just literally come out. It's hard with one hand. I'm going to put the phone down. Okay, so they're out now. And then if you give them a little tug, they come apart. So essentially you have two circuit boards. This one flips over, plugs in. Whoops, sorry, one-handed video again. This one plugs in to here. It's very simple. So all I did to fix this is I took some alcohol and I got a toothbrush and I scrubbed, tried to put the bristles down inside this connector. It looked like it might have had some coffee stuff on it, on its mating prongs. I flipped the back side over, scrubbed both of those really well, and then I went inside the ports and cleaned these out with alcohol. And the funny thing is, I didn't think this would work, because when I was pulling the circuit board out, I accidentally touched my needle nose over here and I saw a spark, and I was kind of concerned that that might have put the final blow on it. But anyway, I cleaned this stuff up, put it back in, and it charges, and I can connect to CarPlay and all that good stuff now. So it's not hard to pull out. You can buy one of these switch assemblies for like 50 bucks on eBay, but rather than wait, I just pulled mine apart and took a chance, and it worked. So I thought it might be helpful for some of you guys that maybe unfortunately done the same thing and think you have to order a new one. This is worth a try. Anyway, thank you.